Works Minister Thongam Biswajit inaugurates Manipur Cherry Blossom Cum Flower Festival at Mao Gate as a part of Manipur Sangai Festival 2018. Imphal Municipal Corporation withdraws boycotting of Sangai Festival after reaching an understanding with the Tourism Department. All Manipur Progressive Farmers Association appeals relevant departments to provide seeds for post-harvest cultivation. 12th Manipur Polo International Tournament kicks off today with the participation of 4 international teams. And Chief Minister Nongthongpom Biren opens its first ever sumo wrestling demonstration event as a part of Manipur Sangai Festival 2018. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Rusham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Works Minister Thongam Biswajit has inaugurated Manipur Cherry Blossom Cum Flower Festival at Mao Gate today. Minister Biswajit kicked off the 3-day flower festival celebrated as a part of Manipur Sangai Festival for the first time by unveiling the festival's monolith along with PHED Minister L. Diko, MLA Paunam Brojen and MLA K. Leshio. Speaking in the event, Thongam Biswajit reminded that Chief Minister Nongthongpom Biren had promised the people of Mao last year to incorporate Manipur Cherry Blossom Cum Flower Festival as a part of Manipur Sangai Festival from this year. Affirming the unshakable commitment of the government to its people, Biswajit called for peaceful coexistence for attaining ultimate prosperity. Biswajit also appeals to have the heart for forgiveness for better days ahead. Planting of cherry tree saplings by guests, flowers and organic vegetables exhibition and cultural showcase highlighted the opening day of the festival. The festival, jointly organized by State Tourism Department and Organizing Committee Manipur Cherry Blossom Cum Flower Festival Mao Gate, will continue till November 24.
Masen nungsiba chanaba adu thajanaba aduga most importantly koi thajanaba haibse leiragadi punamak loinamak leigani haibse aigi asani aduna khwaigi lubasi thajabani thajabala itaba mafamda karisu leiroi nungsiba su leiroi amasu leiroi punamak leiroi thajan basi kamaina thajan handoino mamangda ngasigi mistrust leiba mayam sina mayang lenga kanta akogi leiriba gap se sum sauna leiramane ba adubu akogi anauba government lakpadi go to the hill and that means bridging the gap among ourselves haidana akoi bridge tawna bo hono jarai ba se sahi ani gi manungda peoples na pendaba mayam leirangani ngangbada tawba ngamdaba mayam leirangani hawjik soina ngangbada su ashoiba mayam su leirangani adubu yaringe akoi chumna chadana ba adu amaga ngakthok ngaksin tawga sabminarga de akoi masin se protectively akoi punamak nungsi chanana Manipur sta awan ba mo porpada hena phagani habasi ai achumba wakhanu egadra na khanjabani.
Mahud Minister T.A. Shyamkumar has inaugurated Sangai Photo Festival 2018 as a part of Manipur Sangai Festival at Kangla this afternoon. Photos depicting the history of Manipur and other historical photographs of other states of the country were exhibited as a part of the photo festival to be continued till November 26. Most of the photos are rare collections from the British Library. Tayal Filmer has organized the event under the Tourism Department. Speaking to media persons, Minister T.A. Shyamkumar hoped for the photos depicting the bravery and sacrifices of the forefathers to instill a sense of revolution to the people of the state for development. Manipur Tourism Chairman Dr. Sapam Ranjan also attended the event.
Ariba matang sana loncat leminariba kundaminariba tongan koi Manipur leminariba tribal kaya amda top state ki koi ulaiba mayam display to busna koi da anobi no men haba kanda koi hena koi thabak suningba nomningba amadi ipai pusan to bima thabak tharo mayam ariba na culture mayam si khala kanda koi isana isabo jati si na culture sakta na bitan jama pi base chigida mota ina haninga thagal
photography ki importance even it can influence the government akoi gi positive direction na chanana ba even akoi si education sectors da koi yangmina matam do da government na kai steps la kot ki ge sugum sini akoi photo festival jida akoi ngasi da akoi hudoi sangai gi as part amoina sigi jida Manipur gi praja pumnamak si akoi midyang tamina si yarina.
CAF and PD Minister Karam Sham accorded a warm reception to Meiteis from Myanmar who came to attend Manipur Sangai Festival. Speaking on the occasion, Minister Karam Sham reminisced the history of Manipur upon their arrival. The reception event was held at the shrine of Ibudho Nongshaba in Karam, the birthplace of the minister. Minister Karam Sham assured of welcoming the Myanmarese Meiteis if they seek shelters during any unfortunate circumstances. He appreciated the Myanmarese Meiteis for keeping intact the tradition and language of Meitei community, though they live far away from Manipur. He believed that their efforts will glorify the state. Speaking to media, the Myanmarese Meiteis expressed their desire to know the language and traditions of the state properly for keeping the heritage alive. A grand feast was also thrown on the occasion.
Loan si premise zati ga marakta loan si ngangna draga pau pauna ba moi ki premise ki loan pau ta ka sukai ba nei to ba bo akoi isha ki loan se si su akoi masen di ngangna ba darkar lai ngasi akoi masen di marakta ngakang do su pau pauna ba ngami se loan du ki ma pa na ne adana loan bu di ka to ba phatti ije chatsa lai ba poching se akoi azana bijab to ga adi dumak king ba da premise ka mena na darga kana na su ma da pan ba bir ka da lai aduna akoi gi sanna lon chat nga mai ingwa kaisu kai di magi jati gi magi dharma gi magi positive bitri se gi mungum na khanar ba matam ni bitri bi da lai ba jati amatna magi saktam kanjana ba hota ba kanda kana kuma matana maduda disturbance free bi ate mi fundamental right ne UN na ya ba ko ne tawadu bu mapam du lai daga damdam gi praja gi ya kana ba taw se madi matam su ko da kaubi gano.
On the other hand, the number of people visiting Manipur Sangai Festival organized by the Tourism Department and the number of stalls opened at Haptakang Jebung are comparatively lesser than the previous year. Stall owners intimated Impact News that sale of their products is also comparatively less and there are many empty stalls this year. Visiting students are of the opinion that the Heritage Park is quite beneficial to them.
कोई मेन अखोई ऑब्जेक्टिव थे कोई मणिपुर ले मैमना मतमदुगी बैटल ऑफ इम्फाल है अचौब इवेंट अमने अखोई हिस्ट्री दा अखोई नेशन बिल्डिंग हिस्ट्री दा मसीगी नॉलेज याम चौब गैप अम ले मदुम तंग अखोइना मैम दा अखोइना कंट्रीब्यूट खरा तौब याब्रा हाइबगी अखोइना चंगिन जरको मिशन नि लाइबा विजिटर गे हारगदी ममांग दना हेना लाखपगुम तौई
संगाई फेस्टिवल जे अखोइगी वखल दे अट्रैक्शन अमा जु पोई अदुगा सिदा हिस्ट्री की मरम दा थाइनगी लान दा तौरमबो खोटबा लोइना म्यूजियम मा सिदा थम्बजिना अखोइदा यामना नॉलेज बी
हंदकी अरेंजमेंट जे यामदी फजबा यामदी मोंगदी याम तारगा नानबा खितंग वाटले हाइना ओपिनियन फोंदोफिरमे यामना.
One of the rare stalls opened at Haptakang Jebung this year is the Sangai Library Store, where old books are being donated by many people. The books are then gifted to those in need.
Jum the season of directing a Sangai Festival, Lakpon, Michida, like to Pyre Lakpio, Adu donate to Bio, Adugasi Malemgi, Sumba, Yam the deforestation environment can with Saru Abio, Lunana, Akogi, Tungantuanba, Kogi, organization the Liberiba, Aduga, Tungantuanba, professional Liberiba, Isa Yumda Labor, season of labor, directing, magazine sing, Kanaba, Hiram the season of the Makta, Kogi Siki Tarangi, Lokasavani.
Imphal Municipal Corporation has withdrawn from boycotting of Sangai Festival after reaching an understanding with the Tourism Department. IMC Mayor L. Lokeshwar assured of IMC resuming its role for Sangai Festival. Speaking to media in the conference hall of IMC today, L. Lokeshwar intimated that the decision was taken during a joint meeting attended by Deputy Director of the Tourism Department and IMC corporators. He said the misunderstandings arose due to delayed invitation for the festival sent out to IMC corporators and lack of timely car passes. He assured of putting joint efforts to avoid such unwanted circumstances in the future.
Matang sana khogi invitation ya hogdaba adagi invitation card pibada vehicle pass yawartaba adugumba singdu khitang thengdok thingjin leibadagi akhoi corporate sing da pena dabadagi thoaningdaba thodok khara thokre adubu hojik madugi khogi asoiba jingdu menkhanara kanda madugi hana warongnar mayamdu loina koknare na thamjani Sangai festival ga mari leinana Imphal Municipal Corporation na lower role da kariguma makhalam tagi akaiba lehaloyena aigi side tagi thamjari.
Taking part in the press meet, Deputy Director of the Tourism Department M. Kapajit assured to ensure that the department does not commit such mistakes again. He mentioned that invitation cards were delivered late as there was delay in printing the cards. He acknowledged that the IMC plays a significant role in ensuring the success of Sangai Festival. Kapajit mentioned that due to financial constraints of the department, there were certain delays in executing some works related to the festival. The Deputy Director welcomes any feedback to prevent such inconveniences in the future.
Guest list yamna thengna finalize torokpa ama adubu nominee mangjong nabudi akoi guest list finalize torokhi adugi makada printing tawbada magi printing gi asoiba moina matam sana pirak pangam daba printing house na madudagi ayamba thengdarakibani poche koina khanjab IMC gi achoba role ama lai Sangai festival sinbada topa department maru oraba mayam amsu yauri makhoi yaudana tourism department kaktana sinbadi oide adana coordination je tawbani thabak ti yam chawba scale amada sille ko budget constraints su lai si mayam je fulfill toroga mai pakna ngasi tourism kamaina chawkhalanjige khalaga focus toroga plan je toroga sinbani.
Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly Yumnam Khemchan has inaugurated a 3-day international conference on recent trends in business management and sustainable development hosted by Manipur University today. Manipur Institute of Management Studies MIMS and North Eastern Management Association NEMA have jointly organized the conference in the Centenary Hall of Manipur University. Speaking on the occasion, Speaker Yumnam Khemchan opined that India will witness massive progress if entrepreneurs and individuals executing various welfare works initiated by the government come together. Taking part in the event, MU Administrator Jarnail Singh stated that organizations should be under certain management to be efficient. He stressed the significance of management science and asserted that individuals well equipped with management science mostly come up with innovative ideas. 2 books titled as Recent Trends in Business and Management and Recent Trends in Sustainable Development were also released on the occasion. Delegates from other states of the country as well as delegates from Germany, Switzerland, Thailand and Bangladesh are attending the conference.
For sustainable development and well management of business, we need a will of the government and of the individuals and entrepreneurship. So if this all both work together honestly with a will, I think India can be safe.
We have to be quite active. We have to quantify things in the environmental sector, where the environmental economics becomes also quite important for us, and the environmental market. We are able to enforce and ask people who pollute, they should pay. If that happens, we are able to internalize the cost of pollution, and that helps in going towards sustainable development. People will not pollute.
All Manipur Progressive Farmers Association has appealed to the government and relevant departments to provide seeds for post-harvest cultivation. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, Association President L. Dhana expressed apprehension over possible scarcity of rice in the state as scanty rains and recent artificial scarcity of fertilizers hampered this year's paddy cultivations in the state. He appeals to the departments concerned to provide farmers with seeds for post-harvest cultivation to combat their apprehension to an extent.
Lairaba lomi singna sathok uthokna na ba hotna bada ekoi isingi asigumla problem yamna leibanina MI gi makhada semkhiba RLI gi scheme sing Manipur da leiriba sing asisu function tahun biduna lairaba lomi singna pothok uthokpada hena nungaiba amadi yaifaba ohena bedamta kumsi sahi asida haugi sathok asuk atik hanthana leikraba asida ningthamgi matam asida lomi singna kitang hanjin janana bagi amadi lomi miyam da Manipur da leiriba mipum khudima Sabatak Watana, Muhutsin Bayaba, Robsing Ashe, PBU Haiba, Apamsi, Tanganjari.
All India Trinamool Congress Manipur State President Dr. S. Manauton, Vice President Lakshang Tem Suresh, General Secretary R.K. Mahabir, and Mahila President R.K. Sarjubala attended the National Council meeting of All India Trinamool Congress held on November 16 at Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Indoor Stadium in West Bengal. In the biggest annual meeting of the party presided by AITC National Chairperson Mamta Banerjee, AITC Manipur State President Dr. S. Manauton raised various issues of the state including ILP, hardships in the state education system, citizenship amendment bill and issues related to integrity of Manipur. MLA Nauriyak Pakhanglakpa Soibam Subhash Chandra has announced to provide monthly pension of 200 rupees each to all the differently abled persons in the constituency from his salary. The MLA was speaking in the 9th Foundation Day celebration of All Manipur Handicapped Persons Welfare Association at Konjeng Lekai Community Hall, Imphal West today. Stating that no one desires to be physically challenged, MLA Subhash Chandra urged all to stop discriminating physically challenged individuals but to always extend help and cooperation with love. He maintained that individuals who do not extend assistance to physically challenged individuals are the lowliest persons. Four government-aided college teachers association staged a sit-in today in front of Wycombe Money Girls College, demanding to upgrade Wycombe Money Girls College, Thaubal as Kula Women's College, Nambol South is Manipur College, Komlathabi and Moray College, Moray into full-fledged government colleges. The association warned of intense agitations against the education starting this December if their demand is not met. Teachers and staffs of the four government-aided colleges held placards demanding the same during the sit-in. Taking part in the sit-in, former president of the association, Irom Ganesham, lamented that government and relevant departments have given a deaf ear to their grievances till date. A suspected corporal of NSC and IM died during an encounter between two insurgent groups in Nonay district today. According to Impact News sources, the incident occurred around noon at Khopum Lubanglong, which is around 2 kilometers away from Khopum police station. The intense encounter utilizing powerful arms and lethal bomb is suspected to be between ZUF and NSC and IM. A suspected corporal of NSC and IM reportedly died in the incident. A team of Imphal West Commando under the supervision of SP Imphal West District Police, led by additional SP Operation Krishna Tombi, conducted cordon and search operation at Langol Hill Range this morning. No arrest was made during the operation. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on a state-level healthy baby show competition. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. State Health Society organized the state-level healthy baby show competition under National Health Mission Manipur at RD Wing Hall in Lamphel today. Healthy Baby Award 2018 for babies between 6 to 12 months was accorded to L. James from Thoubal district. For 12 to 24-month category, the Healthy Baby Award went to Kerputhol Tausel from Molkui in Churachandpur, and the award for 24 to 36-month category went to Soraisam Sinthoi from Sagolban in Imphal West District. Winners of district-level competitions held in relation to Newborn Week, observed from November 15 to 20, took part in the state-level competition today. Winner babies were felicitated with 9,000 rupees cash and a citation each. The competition was held with an aim to reduce infant mortality rate in the state by raising awareness among the parents for timely immunizations, vaccinations and other preventive measures. Speaking in the event, Health Minister L. Jentakumar urged parents to be aware of various health-related welfare schemes of the government and to ensure health and well-being of their children, who are the future of the nation.
Masi mama oi bising na hojek magi macha sing na samaj da chobu oi rabakan afaba makhal gi mi oi rabakan da mama mapa oi bagin nungai jaba madu phawi but hari si angang sing duna chakhulaga am baton da semge habidi yadaba al makhong da hone semak pan da ri yadaba habitai aduna maramoi da angang sing hojte hona pi nge degi angang sing semba da kalai masi sumdagi health department ta amasung akhui mission directorate akhoi khaktage daita nataba asing bagidi mase akhoi ne social welfare department gi kangbu ne akhoi myam plap akhoi na khucham labam changi.
A team comprising of DC Thoubal District, Chief Medical Officer and District ICDS Program Officers presented birth certificates and gifts to 4 girl infants and their mothers under Beti Bachao Beti Padhao scheme. The babies were delivered in Thoubal District Hospital today. East Regional Business Head Agency of Religar Health Insurance Company Limited, Bimal Krishna Dhol has launched Imphal branch of the company at Nagaompal today. Religar, a health insurance company, is a part of Religar Enterprises Limited. The company provides health insurance for employees of private companies and other customers at the payment of minimum premium per year for treatment at its empaneled hospitals. Speaking to media, Bimal Krishna Dhol stated that Religar is affiliated to around 8,000 hospitals across the country, providing health insurance to individuals holding the company's insurance card. Business Development Manager of Religar Imphal branch, Uttam Kumar Chetri, intimated that the insurance company has tied up with Shiza Hospitals, Raj Medicity, Iboyaima Hospital, Advanced Hospital and Babina Diagnostic Center so far in the state.
To give the better and appropriate health services to our clients and our partners also. We have almost 8,000 hospitals in Pan India, which has been tied up for the cashless. Even our reimbursement is very good, and if you are consider about our claim settlement ratio, it's almost something of 92%.
Anaba I say okay input in MP deba. Ado in future the any naba khud pa ladi okay na saving tawriba amount of money is future ge anything chat pa se yam chat pa matam da mi se am wara na ko asina kai tawni asina alternative ama okay na kani benefit pi jo wane ba okay na health insurance lo ba taradi any hospital tab da cashless hoiba free hoiba mokha yam ngai ba habta basic adugi damak ne okay na si hauser se this is the first okay gi company ni Religar Health na Manipur da physically full-fledged branch hoiba. So in future the so okay na khali se will give you good service.
One-day state-level conference on safety of children in child care institutions in Manipur was held in the auditorium of High Court of Manipur in Chingmairong today. Juvenile Justice Committee, High Court of Manipur, Manipur State Legal Services Authority and Social Welfare Department jointly organized the conference. Speaking in the event, Chairman of Juvenile Justice Committee, High Court of Manipur, Justice K.H. Nobin, stressed the need to identify the difficulties faced by stakeholders in implementing Juvenile Justice Act and on its progress. He appeals to the stakeholders to share their grievances for bringing necessary solutions. Social workers, workers of government-run orphanages, observation centers, and government officials attended the conference.
Expectation difficulty government contribution, not a contribution. The client can eat all of the Havado, other Yamon Panabio, Sigisida. See the open discussion, Miami Panogami, Bradagi, Panagami, Aduna, Kanamaki criticized the vote of the V1 a single acquainting sign, a Hagito, a Manipur. I did a good labor, which is why only funny, see only funny, tourism is only Manipur, adopted the labor. Sako Trisi Karino, tourism Sako Trisi Karino, and Japanese child care product being a business Karino, have to Fazana and practical Gumsang by
Delta Advanced School in Kwakaitel held a one-day legal awareness program sponsored by District Legal Services Authority in Fal West, Cherab Court in the school auditorium today. Former General Secretary of All Manipur Bar Association, Advocate B. Supriya, gave resourceful insights on NALSA Children-Friendly Legal Service to Children and Their Protection Scheme 2015, while Advocate of the High Court of Manipur, B. Prem, spoke on RTI Act 2015 and Social Legal Literacy as a resource person during the awareness program. Speaking to media, Principal of Delta Advanced School, G. Binita, said that the program was organized to aware adolescent students on constitutional laws. Mega Manipur School at Yarulpat in Imphal East has started the first ever Chinese language learning course among schools in Manipur today. Speaking in the launching event, school internal auditor Thokchom Jotin stated that the project was undertaken with an aim to teach important Southeast Asian languages to students of the school. He stressed the need for younger generations to learn such languages in order to have an edge in the field of trade and commerce with Southeast Asian countries in the wake of India's Act East policy.
Chinese language thangaurabadi khudong chabse fangani in terms of karbar tawningba business tawningba natragana research tawningba natragana doctor butam ningba hariba mayam se China da doctor tamcha daragadi chahi madi mogi language hana damadi bani noine sidagi Chinese language sang khanga jakragadi ada chahi mado matam save to godoini matam save to basi ka dore paisa ju save to godori bani ada atugumba yamna opportunity leiba adu makhalgi language se koina tamauru taragadi akoi school se not only Chinese na natana atopa koi Thai language Myanmar language so koi half se hena khanari bani.
Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah in a press release extended her warm greetings to the people of Manipur, especially to Sikh brethren on the occasion of the birth anniversary of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. In her message, the governor appeals to follow Guru's teachings and work for strengthening the bond of togetherness. Now the sports news. The 12th Manipur Polo International kicked off at Imphal Polo Ground today. Chief Minister N. Biren, YAS Minister Letpao Haukip, MLA Konthaujam Dr. S. Ranjan, MLA Wangoy Olukhoi and CGM of SBI North East Circle, Sunil Kumar Tandon were present in the kicking off ceremony, highlighted by cultural performances. In the first match of the International Polo Tournament played today, Uruguay Polo team beat United States of America Polo team 3-1. For the winners, Alan Hundro, Rafael Sico and Juan Fernandez scored 1 goal each. The lone goal of the United States of America Polo team was scored by Pedro Lara. Polo teams from United States of America, England, Uruguay, Haiti, India Team A and India Team B Manipur are competing in the Polo Tournament, jointly organized by Manipur Horse Riding and Polo Association. USA and India Team A will face each other in the first match, while in the second match, England will meet India Team B Manipur tomorrow.
Traveled a long way to be at Imphal.
The polo camp in Manipur travels through uncertainties of time by depending on royal patronage. Polo is one of the three forms of hockey played in Manipur. The Martin Temple atop a hill in Imphal East, is dedicated to the god of horse, Ibado Marching, horse on a wing pony. Beside this very ground where we have gathered today is the Mapa Tangjigu, the oldest living polo ground in the world.
The 4th International Thangta Championship also kicked off at Khumman Lampak Multi-Purpose Indoor Hall today. Manipur Legislative Assembly Speaker Y. Kem Chan, Chairman of the Championship H. Prem Kumar, MLA Nauria Pakhanglakpa S. Subhash Chandra, BMA President Dr. Rajiv Ahuja and YAS Joint Secretary K.H. Pramoda and many eminent persons attended the opening ceremony. 125 players including women are competing in their respective categories. Players included 65 India A players, 65 India B players, 8 India C players, 23 players from Nepal, 4 players from Bhutan and 2 players from Bangladesh. The tournament will be held till November 24. Chief Minister Nongthongman Biren has opened the first ever Japanese sumo wrestling demonstration event as a part of Shanghai Festival 2018 today. Speaking in the event, Chief Minister Nongthongman Biren asserted that maintaining good ties with other countries will not only favor development in the state, but also help in promoting the rich cultural heritage of the state to the rest of the world. Salai Holdings Private Limited and the Tourism Department is jointly holding the event at Khumman Lampak Indoor Stadium till November 25. Chief Minister Biren also assured of constructing a permanent heritage site where demo houses of 35 ethnic communities of the state will be stationed before the next Shanghai Festival. Biren disclosed that Japan has proposed to construct a war memorial between Imphal and Kohima to commemorate the deaths of numerous Japanese armies during the Second World War. He recalls that Japan invested 400 crore rupees to enhance sericulture in the state, but failure to successfully execute the same has prevented Japan from investing further. Biren maintained that BJP government is earnestly trying to regain the trust lost because of the previous government. Thangta, Mugna, traditional songs and cultural dance performances highlighted the event. YAS Minister Letpao Haukip was also present on the occasion.
Shanghai Festival mathangdadi koi heritage site ma permanent oina tribe kunthraga mari manga leiriba sigi kaibol namjau sanai birthplace da permanent oina sema kanga stall gumba kari gumba commercial oina ihala toroga su tasena madugi festival gi themes studi mafam da pudharaga tawsira ina kanna konajari.
Kashamthong Kendra Kangkut has entered the semi-final of the first Oinam Charlie Singh Memorial League Cum Knockout Kendra Wise Kang tournament. In the third quarter-final match played at Singjamei Kangshang today, Kashamthong Kendra Kangkut thrashed Konthaujam Kendra Kangkut by 14-12. 13 Kangkuts from different parts of Manipur, divided into 4 groups, are competing in the league matches of the Kang tournament, organized by Singjamei Kang Association under the aegis of Manipur Kang Association. In the fourth quarter-final match of the tournament, Wangoi Kendra Kangkut will play against Nambol Kendra Kangkut tomorrow. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Works Minister Thongam Biswajit inaugurates Manipur Cherry Blossom Cum Flower Festival at Mao Gate as a part of Manipur Shanghai Festival 2018. Imphal Municipal Corporation withdraws from boycotting of Shanghai Festival after reaching an understanding with the Tourism Department. All Manipur Progressive Farmers Association appeals relevant departments to provide seeds for post-harvest cultivation. 12th Manipur Polo International Tournament kicks off today with the participation of 4 international teams. And Chief Minister Nongthongpam Biren opens the first ever sumo wrestling demonstration event as a part of Manipur Sangay Festival 2018.